to change the door, the back door on an E250 Econoline 250. The same principle goes for Econoline 150, Econoline 350. It's the same method. So here we go. I'm gonna undo these bolts over here. I'm gonna mark it to make sure I put the door where it goes, the right way, and I'll be right back. Okay, our marks are dry now. Now the next step is to use a Torx bed socket. It's a Torx bed socket. It's people call it a star socket. It's a Torx bed. It has a shape of star. It's a Torx bed socket. People call it a star socket. You could call it whatever. It's a T40 for this one. For many other those might be different. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's the same number for all the E's, for all the Econolines, for all the Econolines 150, 250 and 350. So we got this. We got the bit out. We got the bolt out for that bolt. That's why we need that socket. And then we need a number 13 socket for the door for 4 inches. For the door hinges bolt, number 13. So we take the two hinges bottom bolts first, just to get them out of the way. So it's a lot easier. And then we take the bottom, the top right here, and then the bottom right here. So now we take the next bottom. So nothing. Before that, we're gonna take this out right here, this boot out, because we need to cut that wire somehow. Maybe this one we need to cut it from here. Like that. We cut this wire right there. Cut that wire from there. For that one, we're gonna use our knife. Right there. So it's out the boot, it's off here. So everything out. Right. So now the doors is ready to be separated. There you go. So one hinge is separated, and we're about to separate the other one now. So for that one, I need to be here on this side to hold it, so I could hold it. It's out. The door's out. The door's out. Came out. I'm gonna show you the new door that's gonna go on it. Okay. Okay, and the new door is right here. That's the new door right there. So that door's gonna go over there. Okay, I'll be right back. The next step is to hook the hinge in and start screwing the bolts in. So we got one so far. Like that. Okay, I'll leave that alone for right now. I'm gonna concentrate on this one now. Like that. this. Okay. No, this one. Okay. We did it. What the fuck? That was somehow no. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. I don't know. That's not gonna work. Yeah? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. There. Okay, let me see. Check this. Oh no, it's perfectly fine. Let me just fucking put it in. See? That's it. Done. Yeah. Right now. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. like this.